Welcome back, children, to lesson number 5, Wonderful World of Bholu. Abounding with lush jungles inhabited by species of the animal kingdom, there are a number of nature reserves, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries in India. So, children, today we will first know what a sanctuary. Sanctuary is a place in which wild animals can roam freely without any fear. They breed there and hence their number increases. There are certain rules followed in a sanctuary due to which this is possible. So today, children, in this video we will learn about some famous national parks or wildlife sanctuaries in India. Children, the first one is Ranthambore National Park, Rajasthan. Close to the town of Savai Madhopur in Rajasthan, this is one of the wildlife sanctuaries in India. Now the nature reserve home to Royal Bengal tigers, Indian leopard, nilgai, wild boar, sambar, striped hyena, sloth bear, magar crocodile and cheetal. Second one is Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. Established in 1936, named after famous naturalist Jim Corbett, it was the first national park in India and was a shelter to the endangered Royal Bengal tigers. Now, Gir Wildlife Sanctuary, Gujarat. Settled at the western Gujarat Peninsula, the Gir Forest is exclusive home of Asiatic lions in India. Kaziranga National Park, Assam, is one of the most famous wildlife sanctuaries in India, which is also listed as the UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is home to a large population of one-horned rhinoceros in the world. In addition to the rhinos, there are elephants, bears, panthers, various birds, some migrating from far corners of the world, and many more. Kahana National Park, Madhya Pradesh. The inspiration of Rudyard Kipling's Jungle Book, the forest of Kanha is home to Royal Bengal tigers, black panthers, bears, pythons, elephants and many more. Sundarbans National Park, West Bengal. This is also listed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. It is located on a river delta formed by the river Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna. It is home to Royal Bengal tigers, rare saltwater crocodiles, olive ridley turtles and a wide variety of birds and reptiles. Children, wildlife sanctuaries manifold for hosting biodiversity and natural environment. But not only this, wildlife sanctuaries in India make for great holiday destinations too. So children, these were some famous national parks or wildlife sanctuaries in India. We will meet with some more interesting concepts in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye bye.